In the swipe era, small verbal validations act like emotional vitamins, boosting connection without demanding commitment. The trick is timing. Too many compliments flood the system, while sparse praise leaves a budding connection starving. When texts feel warm but not needy, the brain releases dopamine, shaping trust without overexposure or pressure. Practitioners should mix concrete compliments with genuine curiosity to map shared values and future compatibility together. Remember, every message is a data point. Assemble them into a pattern that reveals intent before rushing in.